Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Hope you all have enjoyed the helping video in my last video and the introduction of Hevata, or red boy, Indian boy. Okay, now let's start the poem. First of all, we will read the poem with the clear pronunciation. You all have to learn the poem. uh, Nowadays you all are not having your notebooks at home, so you can do the practice writing in your rough notebook for a time being. So let's read the poem. Then the little Hevata learnt of every bird its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nest in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hevata's chickens. Okay, children, now let me explain this paragraph to all of you. Then the little Hevata. As you all know, in the introduction already, I have given you about this boy, that he is the boy who is knowing about the wonders of the trees, birds, and insects, and many other things. Hevata grew up to love them all. He was among them. He is like a family of them. Among them he could talk to the bird, and the god gifted magic and the skill that this boy is having in his personality, children, that he could talk to the birds and the animals, and they too to him. Yes, वो खुद भी बात कर सकता था, उनकी लैंग्वेज को, उनकी फीलिंग्स को समझ सकता था, और ये सारे नेचर की ब्यूटीज, जो बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, एवरीथिंग, दे अंडरस्टैंड दिस boy also. They both understand each other very well. Now the paragraph. Then the little Hevata learnt of every bird its language. So the lines are telling us, the poet is telling us, कि when the Hevata was there among in the forest with little birds, with the animals, and with the natural beauty, he learned everything. He learned the languages of the birds, the animals around him, learned their names and all their secrets, the life story, the life secrets of each and every animal. How Hevata is knowing very well. He has learned everything. How they build their nest in summer, कैसे वो गर्मियों में अपना घोंसला बनाते हैं, और कैसे खुद को जाड़ों में कहीं ना कहीं छिपा देते हैं. Where they hid themselves in winter. So in summer, where do they build their nest, and in winter, of course, where do they hide themselves to save themselves from the cooling, from the cool breeze. Then the line is, talked with them whenever he met them. So Hevata is having a क्वालिटी ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग एवरीथिंग. तो जब भी वो इन एनिमल्स से इंट्रैक्ट करता था, बातें करता था, तो वो उसकी बातें सुनते थे. दे ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हवाता, एंड ऑल्सो दे try to understand, to make their language that Hevata has to understand. Hevata उनकी बातें भी समझ लेता था, और वो Hevata की बातें समझ लेते थे. और Hevata उनको एक टैग लाइन देता था, call them Hevata's chickens. ये मेरे बच्चे हैं. Chickens are known as babies. Yes, so Hevata used to call them Hevata's chickens. Okay. Again I am explaining the paragraph. Then the little Hevata learned of every bird its language. So by living among the wildlife, Hevata learned the language, the sign of each and every bird and the animals that are living in the forest life. Learn their names. He is very well known their names and their secrets. He is well versed in knowing that where they are making their houses, where they are making their nests, and where they are going to hide themselves in winter to save themselves from the cold breeze. Hevata used to talk them whenever he met them. जब भी उनसे मिलता था, वो उनसे ज़रूर बातें करता था. And he used to call them Hevata's chickens. Okay, children. Now the next paragraph is also very good. Of all beasts, he learned the language, learned their names and all their secrets. Again, the lines are repeated. कि उसने सारे beast, in fact, all the animals, all the wild and the birds, all are including in beast, the word beast. So almost he has learned each and every language of these natural beasts. लर्न देयर नेम्स, उनके नाम जान गया, उनके सीक्रेट्स जान गया. हाउ द बीवर्स बिल्ड देयर लॉजेस, वेयर द स्क्विरल्स हैड देयर हिड देयर अकॉन्स. बीवर्स कैसे अपना लॉज बनाते हैं, स्क्विरल्स कैसे अपने दानों को छिपा के रखते हैं, कैसे रेंडियर अपना रन सो स्विफ्टली. रेंडियर दे हैव अ गुड कमांड इन रनिंग, सो हाउ स्विफ्टली दीज रेंडियर्स रन. वाई द रैबिट वॉज सो टिमिड, कैसे रैबिट जो है वो छुप जाता है फिर बाहर आता है. हाउ दे प्ले द हाइड एंड सी गेम. Talked with them whenever he met them. Again the line has been repeated by the poem. जब भी वो उनसे मिलता था वो उनसे बातें करता था और उन्हें क्या कहता था? Called them Hevata's brothers. Okay. Now in the first paragraph it has been addressed as Hevata's chickens. And in the second paragraph, Hevata is addressing them as Hevata's brothers. ये मेरे भाई बहन हैं. First paragraph में वो उन्हें as a child address करता है. But in the second paragraph, he is addressing them as their brother. Okay, again I am explaining the second paragraph. Of all beasts, he learned the language. He means Hevata has learned almost all the language of the forest animals. He knows the secrets like how the beavers build their lodges. Beavers कैसे अपना lodge बनाते हैं. How the squirrels hid their acorns, अपने दाने कहाँ छिपाती है. Reindeer इतना swiftly कैसे run कर लेता है. और ये प्यारा सा जो rabbit है, how this rabbit used to play the game of hide and seek. Why he is so timid, इतना डरपोक सा क्यों है. And he always used to talk with them whenever he met them, called them Hevata's brother. And the poet is, always remember, H.W. Longfellow. This beautiful poem, 2 paragraphs poem, has been written by the poet H.W. Longfellow. Okay, children? So there are the new words: wigwam, beavers, acorn, reindeer and timid. Okay, this is all in this for you all. In the next video I'll be sending you the book work of Hevata and we will start the new chapter, children. Okay, till then be happy and be